Hello guys, Blanca here and welcome to my channel. Today we have March already, and that means it's the 1 year anniversary of the pandemic, when it started, when most of the people started working from home, were sent home. I was sent home a year ago and I'm still at home working from home. And the point of my video is to motivate you because probably many people kind of like me stopped working out. The gyms were closed and I lost the motivation. I'm a personal trainer, but I'm not working out. I bought a bike, what you see in the bike, because I seriously wasn't doing anything, making a lot of excuses. Everybody have excuses, nobody's perfect. There's legitimate excuses, like for example my migraines when I can't work out, but there's also excuses that you can't change. Like for example, when we say we don't have time for exercise, we do. We can change this excuse. And what I wanted to do is to motivate you to make less excuses. That's why I'm making this video. I wanted to also mention that the scientists actually coming out with the new way of like replacing the 10,000 steps a day with something else, because when people sitting at home, they don't really go for a walk. Unless you have a treadmill at home, it's easier, but not many people do 10,000 steps, the minimum 10,000 steps a day now. So I'm gonna show you a few exercises. Probably it's not gonna take even 5 minutes. Some 30 seconds long, some just count to 30 or 1 minute. Do it at your own speed. They are simple, nothing hard. Believe me, I can make it hard after working as a trainer for over 14 years. So that's gonna help me to motivate myself and hopefully motivate you. I hope you like it and you're gonna continue. Try to do at your own speed. Don't rush. You can make it longer, you can make less reps, but do something. You're gonna feel better about yourself. You're gonna feel like you did something, and that's gonna motivate you to do more. And the best way to do it, maybe in the morning, before you start work. It's not gonna take you that long. So I hope you enjoy it.